Hey guys, what's up? Last mission that Jordy has to do, you get interrupted with something else that you'll find out later. I never recorded, but anyway, I skipped ahead to where I need to be with Jordy's job, so.
Sit back and keep quiet.
Just stick to the plan. I know what I'm doing.
That how your buddy wanted him dead? Keep your head down.
Damn, it's a patrol car.
I see it.
We go around here. Maybe around there. The cops will flee over here. By the way, I've also redid this like 3 times, so hopefully I finally get it right. Nice. Finally get successful.
You said you were good. You did it.
Nice, we did it. Finally, about time. I redo this like 3 times already. This is so hard. God, what the? Why am I controller moving on phone? This is really just retarded. The controller practically moving on phone. Hopefully the cops have given up by now. Do that just again. Whee! That's what I love about hacking for dude. You get a ramp. I can like fly off of.
We're here. We did it. There's some guys in it. Don't fuck it up now.
Yeah, I think you're gonna fuck it up, man. I don't think I am, but whatever. What then ever. Hopefully I do this right.
Why's the club boss meeting us?
He's not meaning us.
Meaning you. Someone knew. I swear, I don't know what happened. There wasn't supposed to be anybody. I mean, it's a computer plant, right? I turn around, the alarm's going off. The cops got there so fast.
Quiet now. It's all over, son.
I got it, at least, right? That's what matters.
It is indeed what matters most. This is how the world turns. Not much room for fuck-ups.
Oh, I get that, Mr. Quinn. I do. It wasn't my fuck-up.
Oh, it wasn't. Calm down. It's all right.
I'm going to get my hair cut. I'll be back.
Okay. Get a chance to talk to your mama? All your friends? The girl?
No, sir. I was in a hurry.
That's good. Very good.
Ooh. That's nasty. That is nasty. That's some nasty shit.
You can tell your employer I'll call again. If ever I need another delivery.
That was nasty.
Lucky fucking Quinn. He runs the Chicago South Club. These assholes have been preying on Chicago since before I was born. I could have done the city a huge favor if I put one between his eyes. And this is exactly what I've been trying to stay away from. It always comes back hard. That can't happen again.
Hey, how'd it go? You finished that job yet?
You thought I'd be okay working for the fucking club?
A paycheck is the paycheck. You gotta start separating the morals from the moolah. Relax. Listen, I can hook you up with my guy. He'll find you better driving gigs if you want.
Yeah, sure. I don't know if I'll take them. Give him my name.
Who says no to extra cash, right? Oh, and since you asked, Maurice is doing just fine in his new home.
Well, anyway, guys, that was part 7. So,